Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Happy New Year! Y'all push me down for the new year. Cufflinks.
Cufflinks.
Happy New Year to you.
Tell her to the building.
Happy 2024.
Thank you for staying with us for the past 3
years. Yes.
Going 4 years.
Yes.
We are happy to be here for another year. Can't see nothing up, so just say that right off.
No, but it's about to mess my makeup up. Oh well.
Yeah.
It's the end of the day anyway.
She's glammed up for Do you know what today is? It's our anniversary.
Well,
anniversary. Do you know our anniversary? Do you know?
that's rude. At the time of this recording, it's not yet our anniversary. Today is, it's a few days before our anniversary. So we had a 10th anniversary photo shoot today, and the 10th anniversary is silver, and so we were all glammed up today, us and the girls.
Tell me if you think below if the girls should have been a part of our 10th anniversary shoot.
So here's the deal. When we were planning the anniversary shoot, Brian was saying that they shouldn't have been in it, and I'm saying to him, no, they are a part of the 10 years. And he said, no, it should have been just about me and you. And I'm like, no, they are a part. The majority of the shoot was us, but then they were included because they are a part of the journey.
We did some shots with them afterwards that I think can be afterwards. Family shoot, but not anniversary. But it is what it is.
So that was fun today. Yeah. I'm tired now.
Yeah, so we won't be long. First things first is, if you like my haircut, drop a fire emoji in the comments below because I have a new barber. First time she doing this. I'm nervous. Take your time now.
Way nervous, fine, but better than what you were doing.
I'm load me up, so. Like, you know I had to do. We ever shaved before. Better start laugh quick. This video for 2024, and it's a double bubble because it's our anniversary, as we said. The day when this video is uploaded, 10 years ago, I walked down the aisle. No, I didn't.
Oh, I'm just so asked out when that happened.
I have to go down the aisle first. They have some in your mouth?
No.
Sweetie?
Oh. I was making oats for the girls and I had
taste it.
May have to taste it.
Eat it out. So 10 years ago we said I do. Do you still do?
Do I have a choice?
So you're in it not because you love me, but because you're feeling bound. Okay.
I'm cuffed for life.
First things first. So any regrets about how the proposal was done?
No.
Yeah.
It was dramatic and I loved it.
Lily water.
It's fine.
No.
Because I got to dress up after.
Look at how people are doing proposals these days versus what we did. You wouldn't have preferred Yeah, proposal these days are woo,
Outlandish, and I love
like
it.
do
Team
what you do
extra.
and do
Love
what
it.
you think your partner to be deserves, and you know what you can afford, as long as you're doing it within measure.
Hold on, so me did just deserve it in a yard clothes? That's what you're saying?
All right, so no regrets.
Hold on. You're saying I deserve to be proposed to in yard clothes?
All right, any regrets about the wedding? Come, we're not going to take long with the
Any
period.
regrets about the wedding? Not hiring a proper videographer.
Yeah, 10 years later, we still don't
Have a wedding video.
Wedding video. Don't regret not marrying me sooner.
You weren't ready for me. So we got married when we should have gotten married.
This is gonna be a nice video, so I won't even answer her. Right? 10 years later, the hairstyles are different. Mine, the lack thereof. The weight is a little bit different. Put on a little couple of pounds.
My hair
The
is
rings
just
are different. Yeah, that's not.
or lack thereof.
That's not the ring. No.
Because Brian lost.
Yeah, we spoke about that, so go find that video and watch
Brian
it.
lost my original wedding ring. I have a few others that I wear interchangeably. You'll see them here and there.
Mine broke because my joints are big, and we had to get one customized for me.
Well,
And
my hair is
no man,
the
not the
same.
style. I mean here. When I say here,
No. But I'm saying my hair is the same, and the hairstyle is almost the same as our wedding day.
Yeah. No man, me no say here.
Yeah. All of this is my hair.
All right. So I won't ask for 10 things. Last year we did 9 things that 9 years has taught us. So there's a comment about the 7-year itch, that it gets better after 7 years. True or false?
I don't even know how to count our years, to be honest. I don't count 3 years out of the 10 years. Primarily because we weren't in the same space. So when we got back in the same space in year 4, it's almost as if we were starting all over again. So I don't even know which year we're in. We're in our 10th year, but it feels like it has gotten easier, I think. Not easier in terms of marriage being easier.
After 7 years, or it got easier earlier?
No, after 7 years, I would say.
Okay. What do you think was the hardest year of our 10 years?
It would have been probably the year when we moved back in together. Yeah, I think that was the hardest year. I thought the 3 years living apart was hard, but Lord, when we got back together, as in living in the same space, it was hard.
Oh, before we continue, so one of the things that we're going to be doing for this month, and for the year, we're celebrating our decade worth of love, and we're going to be sharing. I want us to share every month. We're going to share something as it relates to our marriage. One video, one out of every month. We're going to have a video dedicated to a year of our marriage. Just to talk about marriage and to encourage people. So if you want to see that, you just like, share, subscribe, tell somebody else about it, and also to turn on your notification bell. So when we post, you will know. Biggest challenge in marriage?
Apologize.
Men all around the world are liking this video in their hearts because they can't like it, make them wives see.
Biggest challenge, I would say, is just coexisting with somebody else and all that it entails. Compromising, apologizing, dealing with them day to day.
Yeah, when she poop.
Yeah, when he's annoying, which is every day. Just trying to remain in love, I guess, despite all the hardships and all that. So it's really just coexisting with somebody else.
I think is dying daily. It's similar to what she said, but especially as the head of the house, as the head, I am supposed to love her as Christ loves the church, and that means loving unconditionally. That means leading in the right way, loving in the right way. No matter what you're going through, no matter how you're feeling, you still have to You know, 60 40, 50 50, 70 30, whatever the case may be. But at the end of the day, I still have a responsibility to lead and to love no matter what.
Yeah, and another hard part of our marriage is just being on the same page where raising children are concerned, because Brian and I are from two completely different backgrounds, and so it's just trying to find a middle ground, I guess. Still trying to find a middle ground where some things are concerned. So yeah, raising children and being from two different backgrounds, are coming from two different upbringings.
Any insecurities or any trust issues? Let me do that one first.
Trust, no. Not trust, no. No trust issues. Not no.
Oh, so you never trust me early on?
I lost trust when we weren't living together for obvious reasons.
You lost trust? I made you lose trust?
No, it wasn't because of anything that you were doing.
Losing trust or
being insecure?
Worrying or wondering if...
Yeah, more than, yeah. Not losing trust, but
right.
Yeah. You said insecure?
No, I rescinded and said trust issues.
Oh, no, not trust issues, but yeah, insecure for obvious reasons. We weren't in the same space most of the time and whatever.
Alright, so we're going to be dropping pieces of our shoot today. Just a snippet in this video, but more in detail in the next video, because we don't want to weary you and we want you to come back again and watch as we continue on this decade worth of love. I find it so funny that it is DWL doing our 10th year. So we're gonna be having some laughter. Follow us on Instagram, where you'll be seeing us doing some challenges. She's really the person pushing me to hurt myself, but I enjoy doing the challenges.
Yeah,
so
it's a new way to bond.
Yeah, join us on Instagram for that. On TikTok, Stuff from the Cuffs at Basilia B Cuff. Same thing on Instagram, Brian M Cuff on Instagram, and also
Basilia B Cuff.
Yeah, on Instagram. I don't remember what my TikTok name is.
Brian Maurice on TikTok.
Oh, see there.
Alright.
We'll love to know.
Later.
And thanks for joining.
See you in the next video.
Yeah.
Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they bring us some light. Stuff from the cuffs. 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 Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs.